All right, Facebook, YouTube, we are here on site to see my hardwood team, and things are going great, guys. Things are going great. See my trailer there. Let's go. I told him I was coming to follow up. Got my main team here, plus my project manager, who can pretty much build a house if I needed him to. He has his own business, actually. Let's check it out. What's up, Gary? Bub? Good, how we doing? Check out the team. Got the team going. Again, guys, you hear me talk a lot about my team. This guy here, his name's Jerry. He's my secret weapon, guys. He can pretty much build a house. So if you guys ever hear me talk about Jerry, this is him. He is my secret weapon, folks. Everybody watching online, subscribe to my YouTube channel and Facebook. Appreciate it. But this is the team hard at work here. And again, we're gonna just basically, the client does want to add the character to it. And what they're doing is doing all the edging. And these Dremel, as you can see right here, is really focusing on right there. So we do take pride in what we do, as you guys see all my videos. And the client did get some samples here. We do advise if you guys have a sample in mind to go get it, and then the team will apply it. Yeah, guys, it's gonna do it. We're finishing up. And they pretty much got everything already prepped and edged, which I knew they would, because we got the main boss on site making things happen, right, Jerry?
Right, buddy.
And then, yeah, it's going good. Stay tuned. Check it out, guys. They already got this prepped. And they're gonna go with the gun stock, 2 coats of polyurethane. The team's at it now. Even got the closet. This is an older home, and they just want to add the character to it. We're in Belleville, Illinois today, and the hardwood team is at it. So, again, it comes to your floors. We can clean them, we can maintain them, we can restore them, or we can replace them. In this case, we are sanding and refinishing the floors. And typically, it starts out at $6 a square foot. For just a sand and recoat. If we do apply stain, that's an extra $1. And if it's pre-finished and we have to stain it and get it in the grooves with each board, then it's an extra 75 cents. But that's why it's so important to do on-site assessments, so we can determine what your best options are. Whether it needs to be clean and buffed, screened and recoated, or completely sanded. So hope they added value to you. That's about my main.
Pretty good.
See how we're getting all the detail? That's because we care about the character and doing it right. That's what separates us from the competition. We do it right the first time. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. guys, we are staining now. What are you doing? As you can see. Yep, that's what he said. Alright guys, check it out. Put this here. And typically guys, it takes 3 to 5 days. The first day is prepping, the second day is staining, and then the third day, fourth day is applying poly. The fifth day essentially is come back, put things back if needed. But this is about 600 square feet. So this is what you can expect. Anything more than that, just add a day or two. If it's 1,000 square feet, add an extra 2 days. But typically speaking, we can get you done within a week and a half if it's, 1,500 square feet or more. And again, the client did remove all the furniture into another area that is required. In some cases, we can move it, but that is additional. And it's also, you can remove the baseboards if you want us to for additional fee. Otherwise, you guys can leave them up and we just blue tape it and go around it. But yeah, looks great. We got it sanded down real well. And this is an older home, built 1903, so it definitely has a lot of character. And we're able to smooth it out and really open up those wood grain pores. And sometimes we get a little aggressive because some of the boards are popping up. But as you see in the other video, that's what happened. And we have our other tech right now staining it. And Jerry, what kind of stain was that? What color? Let's check it out.
The cans are at the bottom.
Check it out, guys.
Yes, three cans downstairs.
Okay, yeah. Okay, and we picked it out. Awesome. And that's another thing too, guys. You guys can pick out your stain. Just go and get a sample, whether it's at your local Home Depot or Sherwin-Williams. You can do that. And then we'll pick up whatever you pick out and we'll apply it. Anything darker than a dark walnut, we have to apply it by hand. That would be additional because we have to do it on our hands and knees. Otherwise, we can apply with a pad like this or a wool's lamb and get it going. So, all right, guys, I was excited to show you the second day of this project, and then tomorrow we'll come back and apply a poly. And typically stain, dries within an hour. Technically, they can apply it before they leave, which they probably will. And then tomorrow they'll come back and buff it out and apply it again. And then they'll be done, hopefully, today is Tuesday. It'll be done by late in the evening Thursday or Friday morning. So then they can put everything back after 24 hours. So just to educate you guys on that. I hope that adds value. So typically we can clean and buff and screen and recoat, but if we do sand, which we do sand a lot, and stain and recoat, it just could, consider being out of the house for about a week. Unless you have somewhere to go, you can always stay downstairs if it's living quarters. But most times, a lot of clients go out of town, stay with family, get a hotel, take a little small trip somewhere so we can have access to, the flooring. Because you can't walk on it because it has to cure, right? And when we sand it, sometimes there's some noise. We typically barrel sand, which is minimal dust, but there is some dust that, that you just can't help. So we always advise getting your HVAC cleaned after the service, which we also provide that. But yeah, this is the restoration, guys. We do is they wanted the sand, the stain, and then the recoat of polyurethane. So that's what we're doing today. So again, guys, we are booked up about a month right now in advance. We typically are. So if you guys need another service, please reach out. Glad to help you. And again, we would rather restore it than replace it. But if you need something replaced, we can, comment on that too. But most of the time, we just restore hardwood. Our main guy's been doing it over 35 years, I believe. And he enjoys it as long as the other guys we have. And yeah, so that's good. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. And reach out if you need us.
So, all right, guys, like I said, we just got to stain this. And then we got to stain this as well. So we have to stain the rest. But until then, the guys are taking a quick break. But we did sand all this down to the raw wood to open up the grains. And the client did pick out the stain. Yeah, guys, this is the second day. The first day, essentially, we're prep and sand and edge. We got into the closet area, as you can see there. And then typically, guys, if you ever get your floor sanded by us and recoated, it's typically a week process. Again, the first day, we prep and sand. The second day, we apply stain, if applicable, if you guys decide you want to stain it. Then the third, fourth day, we apply poly. And the fifth day, essentially, we put things back if needed and just check for any adhesions and make sure everything is uniform. And this is about 600 square feet. Anything over that, guys, just the figure for an extra 200 square feet is add another day. So essentially, if it's 1,500 square feet, pretty much allow for a week and a half. We do advise clients to not be home during that time, or if they have a downstairs living area, stay down there instead. So because you can't walk on the floors because that's secure, and it limits any disruptions or any bonding issues. So I get asked a lot, where do people go when you get the floors done? Well, usually, you know, they stay downstairs, they stay with family, they take a small trip or vacation, but just allow a week and a half for the full restoration project. Also, if we just sand and recoat, it does less the time, but if we do stain, like we're doing for this client, it does add time to days to the project. So, and also, of course, if there's any kind of repairs needed, any holes filled, things of that nature, or any additional request, that does take extra time. So, that's it, guys. Just want to educate you on that. Hope that add value to you. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And yeah, these floors look amazing. So stay tuned for some results. We'll show you some poly being applied tomorrow, and then the reaction from the client on Friday. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Beautiful.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. Beautiful. All right, guys, we're able to save another floor. This is pine. We were able to sand it, stain, and recoat it. They did pick out the color, and everybody's happy. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.
Taking all the tack strip and staples out everywhere else for them.
What do you think overall? You love it?
Oh, I love it. Yes, it looks like it used like in the old spots, like under the radiators.
Yeah. What adds that character, you know?
Yeah, because I had got some stains because I thought it would be lighter. It would stay lighter being pine.
Sure.
And so I got darker stains. I was like, oh, I don't like that.
Look at that nice, beautiful satin sheen on there. Wow.
Yeah, it looks really good. We're real happy with it.
Awesome. I appreciate that.
Yeah, we got the pine stain. I forget what it's, pine something.
Yeah, I saw that from Mini Wax. Yeah. In fact, here might be a little sample right here. That it? Yeah, this is it right here.
Yeah.
Yep.
But it came out, it looked like what I think it used to look like, because you could see where it had been a long time ago.
Yep.
So, yeah. We're
Awesome. And we got to see this both together at the same time. Because I came here whenever we were sanding it, and they were putting the stain, but I said I'm going to come back again after the poly's on there to see your reaction.
No, I wasn't sure.
All right, guys, Ryan here again with AOCleaning. As you guys know, we did a hardwood stain and refinish for a client in Belleville, Illinois. And as you can see, it turned out absolutely stunning. The guys did a great job. And again, shout out to my hardwood team. My team members always do a great job. No matter what project I send them their way, they just knock it out of the park. So, team, if you're watching, thank you so much. You guys do a great job. So we did this right here. The foyer area, the bedroom, and the masters. Look at that, guys. Nice satin sheen. The client did pick out the stain, and she's absolutely thrilled. It adds the character to it. Now, this house is older. It was built in the 1900s, but yeah, she's so happy. They even did the landing to go the extra mile, and so thrilled. So overall, what do you think overall? What do you want to tell the people watching?
Oh, I love it, and it was very fast and easy.
Perfect. And you got it is the look that you wanted, the desired look?
Yeah, it's supposed to look like it was a home built in the 1905, and it really does look like it.
Awesome. Well, we appreciate that feedback, and that gives everybody a snapshot what to expect if they hire us. All right, guys, that's going to do it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.